Is a spike catching strategy for the boom and crash. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be dropping an awesome and wonderful spike scratching strategy you can use to grow any account size. You can flip even a $10 account to a $100 account with this spike catching strategy. I know most of you have been hit multiple times by spikes, but I want to let you know that you can actually trade spikes and make money. Now, one thing with the boom and crash is if you're taking the little ticks, you're on the high risk side because spike can come in anytime and hit your account. But with my strategies, your losses are limited. So now on this spike catching strategy, we are going to be talking about how you can catch spikes and make money with it. So now if you watch here, I just missed these three spikes now. These three spikes. Now, looking at this, you should know this is a lot of money. Losing this is a lot of money already. So now let me show you how I missed this spike or how I would have gotten for this trade. You just have to wait for these three lines, the purple, the blue, and the red line, to go below this negative 100. This is minus 100. This level is minus 100. Then you wait for it to spike up. Now, once it spikes up, and you want to drag your screen to the edge like this, once it spikes up and you see the line it draws, for example, if you watch here, there's a black straight line that spiked up. This black straight line spikes up and goes above this level here, this level right here. Then you know that there's gonna be another spike, or if it is below this second line here, there's a 50% chance that there's gonna be another spike. So once it goes above this line here, you want to expect another spike and you go in for your trade. So let me show you the indicators before I continue with more examples on it. I have 4 indicators here. Firstly, on my indicator window 1, I have my average directional movement index. So period 50 style is 3 pixels of my background color purple and my background color. So if you're using a black background, you want to use black, purple, and black. So we're done there. My commodity channel index, period 14, applied to typical price, 3 pixels of blue. The level is 100 and negative 100. Then my moving average, very important, period 10, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, 4 pixels of red, and we're done for that. My market facilitation index, here are the settings for my market facilitation index. Volumes is tick, length width is 1 pixel, MFI up, volume blah blah blah. So just screenshot just to look like this. The colors should be in rhythm like this. So we are done with the indicators. If you didn't get any of those, you can go back and watch this video again. So now this is on the boom 1000. You can catch these 3 spikes here. If you were here with me the first time this first spike came in, these 3 lines were below this negative 100 level for the boom. So the first spike came in, showed us a black line. Black lines means there's gonna be another one. So another spike came in, a green line. Now the green line means there's a probability that another spike could come in. So you might want to exit or you might want to still stay. So if you still stayed, another spike came in and went above this 100 level here, and we should close our trade there. So that's how we go in for our spikes. If you watch here as well, before this huge spike, everything came below the negative 100 level, the moving average and all that, they all came below the negative 100 level. Let me show you before this huge uptrend here, if you watch here, It came below this level here. First spike came in, still came down again. And if you watch here, our moving average was below the level as well. So this is where we started hitting it up. So if you entered here, you didn't enter at the wrong point. You're still on track. So they all came below the negative 100 level. We go in for our trade for a buy, because we want to be catching spikes. On the boom, you want to be buying. So this spiked up black to show that, yeah, there's going to be another spike. Then before a green spike came in here, another green spike. And that's the uptrend we took here. That's some really huge spikes to take in. With a $10 account, these spikes could lift you up to $50 or more. So let me show you on the crash, another example on the crash. If you watch here, before it crashed down, they all went above the moving average and all that. They all went above the 100 level here. This is the 100 level, and this is the negative 100 level. So for the crash, you want to be selling. So immediately they got above the negative 100 level, we took our sell. Now a black spike came in, indicating that another spike is going to come in. We still wait and take, see another black spike came in again, which is telling us to continue waiting because there's going to be more spikes. So once we see that this last spike went above this 100 level, we know that, yeah, there might not be any spikes again, so we'll close our trade. So maximum you want to be taking just 3 spikes and you should be done. 3 spikes, don't be greedy guys. 3 spikes, you wait for another entry again for you. Now if you watch here as well, they all went above the 100 level. First spiking, second, third. You should exit here, or you can still probably stay for this as well. These are not considered spikes. These are not considered spikes. So yeah, you need to just, the color, the spike color on this chart here matters. If it's a black, expect more spikes. Until you see green above this level, then you should know that yes, the market might want to reverse or continue spiking. So the probabilities there are lower, so you want to exit the trade with your profits. One thing with spikes is awesome, and you can literally within an hour, you have literally made over $50 to $100 even with a $10 account. Watch this. It went above this level, spiked all the way down here, and we keep getting all these entries and all that. So that's that for the boom and crash. One more example before I go. I'm showing all these examples so you know what it looks like before you go in for a trade. They all went above this 100 level here. You take first, second, third spike, you might exit or you continue depending on the line color. If you check here, this is a black line indicating that more spikes are gonna come in. So now you should probably have exited on this green line here, this green spike above this 100 level. And that's that for that. So kindly subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you're interested in my VIP signals, account management, mentorship program, DM me. Now my VIP signals group and VIP strategy group, I'm giving out that group for $50 only. So far, if you have been in the VIP group, you have been making hundreds of dollars. You're definitely making hundreds of dollars. I don't have to show anybody proof of any kind. If you want to make money, you DM me, you get the group. You get the group immediately. You get added to the group immediately, you make your payment. So if you're waiting for me to start posting proofs here, you're not ready to make money, guys. So yeah, someone that's ready to make money, you don't push the person to making money. You don't. So if you're interested, DM me for VIP signals and strategy. I'm giving our group up for $50 only. It's supposed to be $200, but $50 only. You're in the group. Or should I do a giveaway again? Okay, guys, if you're with $20, come in for your VIP strategy and VIP signals group. $20 only. Hit me up. My WhatsApp is in this video description. See you guys again tomorrow.